Okay, strawberries might not be in season right now, but I will say this is a beautiful strawberry pie recipe that would be perfect, in my opinion, for Valentine's Day. So if you want to know how to make this and what to use, then just stay tuned. My name is Valerie Dyson, and I'm going to show you how to make this strawberry pie recipe. All right. First thing you're going to do, in a saucepan on medium heat, add water, sugar, and cornstarch. I used 1 cup of water, a half a cup of granulated sugar, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. And then I'm going to bring it to a simmer and let it thicken. Once thick and smooth, remove from the heat. Then you're going to add your strawberry gelatin and stir. I used, let's see, just 1 little 3-ounce package of strawberry gelatin. Then I add my fresh strawberries and gently stir to coat all the strawberries. And I did use about 2 pounds of strawberries that I already had sliced off camera. You can use about 3 or 4 cups, you know, if you're measuring like that. But I just bought a 2-pound thing of strawberries and just sliced them up in my slicer. I really need to link that in the description box because I use it, like, I'm pretty sure I've used it on every recipe that I've made on this channel so far. Okay, so where are we at? We're pouring in strawberry filling into the pie crust. I would just buy the graham cracker Walmart brand pie crust. It is great. I've also bought I think it was like a pecan pie crust before, and that was great. You know, unless you want to make your pie crust, and that's cool too, go ahead. I just wanted to buy it because, yeah. All right, gently level out and pour the rest of the gelatin on top of the strawberries. Make sure you get all that flavor as much as you can in that pie crust. Then I refrigerated for, it says on here, by the way, I am using Tess Cooks For You's recipe. I will have her description box listed below. It says that it refrigerates for 1 to 2 hours or until set and firm. I did over 2 hours this time, but I do believe that I've done it in the past and 2 hours does it. I really want to make sure it's really firm before, you know, I go and try to eat it. But yeah, you can decorate it with whipped cream, fresh strawberries, and mint if you want to. I personally just put on some whipped cream on there. But like I said, I would hold off until you're ready to serve it on your plate before putting whipped cream on it, because it doesn't stay pretty. Or at least not the whipped cream I bought, which is just the Walmart brand of canned whipped cream. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, it's very easy to make, and I definitely recommend it to make this Valentine's Day if you want to make a special dessert that's really easy and cute. My goal for this video is to get 8 likes within the first 48 hours. So if you please could help me reach this goal by pushing that thumbs up button that you see on this video, that would mean the world to me. But yeah, don't forget to comment and subscribe too while you're here. Share if you want to. Yeah, and if you're interested in watching some of my other cooking type of videos, I've done a copycat recipe of an Olive Garden dish. I've done a rosemary and garlic chicken leg thigh recipe. I've also done my go-to meatloaf recipe. All right, I'll see you on my next video. I hope you enjoyed this strawberry pie recipe. And until next time, bye buddies.